How to verify phone number on Discord. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can verify phone number on your Discord. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Discord. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then what you'll need to do is tap on your U button that is on the bottom right. After you tap on it, you can then tap on your settings icon that is on the top right corner. After you tap on the settings icon, you'll be on your settings. Now, you will need to head over to your account. You'll find account right here, tap on account, and after you tap on account, you'll get the phone number option. It's right here, tap on it. After you tap on it, all you now have to do is type in your phone number, and after you type in your phone number, tap on next, and then you'll get a verification code which you'll need to type it in, and then your phone number will get verified on Discord. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and don't forget to subscribe.